Here's how to record a video with music on iPhone. So in this tutorial, I'm going to exactly show you how you can record a video with music on your iPhone. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. So in order to record a video with music, you just basically need to turn music on your device. So for example, just basically go to any music platform, just like Apple Music, SoundCloud, or Spotify. So in my case, I'll just go to Spotify. And here in Spotify, I won't play the music because it has copyright issues, but just pretend that I'm playing the music right now and the music is going on, and in the background the music, you just gotta turn it on, and let's just say our music is going. Now once your music is going on, you just basically need to open your camera app, and you just gotta go to the video, and just like once you're in video, just basically press play, and you will be easily able to record and play the song in it. But yeah, this is actually it, and it's very easy on how you can record a video with music on an iPhone. So I hope this video actually helps you out. Please do leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. Until then, goodbye and peace out.